It's currently April 8th of 2019. You are 13, almost 14 when you're doing this for a project, I guess you could call it, in school. Oh yeah, you're currently in the 8th grade. You were in the 8th grade when you did this. I don't really know what to say. You have 2 dogs and 2 birds named Chapo and Pablo. You didn't name the birds because they're birds and they look the same, so call them birds. Yeah. Do you play sports? Because you don't like sports because you don't like anything that involves moving or walking or running or just any kind of physical activity because you're a lazy person. But do you play sports? Basketball, soccer, anything like that? Because you don't really do that stuff. Do you still have clear skin? Well, your face is like really bad right now. It's like horrible. But you barely started breaking out, like barely. Did your face clear up? Do you go out more than usual or than you used to? Do you still have curfew? Do you not have curfew? Do you come home at whatever time you want? Because I can't do that because Mom whooped me. Anyways, yeah. Have you done anything exciting? Do you still travel? Like, do you travel more to other places out of state? Have you ever like almost died, like doing something stupid?